If you have blocked someone on Snapchat and want to unblock them, here is how you can do it easily from your Android device. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to access the settings. Scroll down and tap on Blocked under the Account Actions section. Here you will see a list of all users you have blocked. Find the contact you want to unblock and tap the cross icon or unblock button next to their name. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap yes to unblock them. After unblocking, you will need to add them as a friend again if you want to reconnect. Just search for their username and send a friend request. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked someone on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.